Step back and see the macro and digest it down to the micro. Trading, investing, and geopolitics. From macro down to the micro. Welcome to Macronomics.
What's up, guys? What up? Welcome back to Macronomics, guys. It is coming down where I am at. I'm currently in North Carolina and just got done playing basketball. And it's just raining like hell, man. But I bring that up because consistency, guys. I'm actually driving right now and just kind of switching up the routine to stay consistent. And it's just, there was a part of me that was just like, we can just push this podcast back. But nah, guys, we're all about consistency. All about consistency. We want you guys to know that. So, today's episode is simple, quick, and to the point. We just got done recording some trades for the week, identifying some parameters around where we could be more profitable, consistent, and just learning overall from our trades. And what we was able to extrapolate was simply, it was a lot. We noticed that we was placing a little bit too many trades. I think we was like 1 for 8. And I believe the parameters around this, guys, was simply my mind frame was a little off in the morning. I didn't set it up the way I should have. And so I'm not really upset with the trades because I understand it was my mind frame going into it. And I was just able to identify that. So that brings us to this, guys. I want to share something. So we've actually decided to implement a different structure around taking profit. So pretty much for the whole past year, we've been essentially just trading to try and build our account. But we weren't really looking at it as paying ourselves at all. And so we're really excited about moving forward because we've identified some percentages around the account. We're transferring money. So instead of having all the money in one account, we're transferring it to different accounts where we can test these different strategies and methods. And from there, being able to, instead trying to flip a whole account, we break that down and implement it on a smaller frame. Because, see, let's say you put $100 in an account and it goes, it fails pretty much, right? For you to put another $100 in, you're going to have to reflect very hard about why that is so. Whereas if you're using all of your capital, it's I feel like that's not as effective. But time will tell. I'll continue to keep you guys posted on if this is working or not. So again, guys, this is like the wind is blowing trees. It's just crazy where I'm at. But I wasn't going to let that stop us from getting this podcast out. So as we continue to move forward, continue to keep putting the micro to the macro and implement that, guys. Try to pay yourself, transferring some money to a different account and putting that into practice, okay? Now, until the next one, continue to keep putting the micro and the macro. Much love, much love. Pay yourself. Make sure you're journaling. I'll talk to you in the next one.